Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to download the Google Maps on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now, to download the Google Maps on your iPhone, first you'll be required to open the App Store on your iPhone like this. And after opening your App Store on your iPhone, you can see the search bar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that search bar like this. And on the top of the screen, you can see the search bar. Tap over there and type in Google Maps like this and tap on search, and then the Google Maps will be available to you on the top of the screen. You can see this is the Google Map over here, and to download it you can see the get option available over here. Tap on get, and then the Google Maps application will be downloaded on your iPhone momentarily after you confirm the installation of the Google Maps on your iPhone. You can see it's downloading. Let's go back to our home screen, and I think it's still not downloading. To take a moment. And there guys, the Google Maps application has been successfully downloaded and installed on our iPhone. Let's open it. And there guys, this is how you download the Google Maps on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.